All right, a little bit unusual video for me, but I had to, you know, make a video about this. This is probably the cutest stapler on Amazon. This is made in Japan. It's from a brand called Midori, and this is the stapler. And this thing is tiny and uses this number 10 staples. So this is not your regular size staples. The stapler itself was I believe $6, and it's like this 4-pack of staplers, total 4,000 staplers in here was $5. Let's open the stapler. Oh, pretty easy to open. Wow, you can actually open this packaging without destroying the packaging. Japanese attention to detail. I'm a sucker for Japanese stationery. Very, simple design. XS stapler, extra small, I believe. Now, if I could figure out how to open this thing. Oh, here it is. It's lock set. So push here. All right, now let's, so there is some pin in there already. And then you have to push this thing back. All right, let's try this stapler. I'm gonna try to fold this letter size paper. So that's 4. That's 8. And that's 16. Let's try there. Clean staple. Can it do 32? Probably not. No, this looks thicker than this. Tiny. Let's do maybe half and half, right? So 16 plus 8. Oh, wow. 24 pages. It can staple just fine. How about this staple remover? Will this work? Let me see. All right. Wow, what a fun little stapler. I think this has got to be the cutest little stapler. And based on the Amazon reviews and the reputation of this brand, this should be a really good stapler. Thank you.